So guys, welcome back sa ating vlog dito sa project natin dito sa may Mandaluyong. Meron tayong ceiling installation tsaka overall electrical installation. To yung delivery ng carrying channel yan boss, no? Carrying channel. So yung carrying channel yan yung ginagamit para mabuhat niya. Yan yung salita, kaya carrying, bubuhatin niya yung metal faring. Yung metal faring doon naman kumakabit yung doon ini-install yung ceiling. Ayan. Yan, ini-install yung ceiling. Okay. Sige, pabilang boss. 20 na lang yung kulang kanina, no? So, ito yung metal paring, ito yung carrying channel. Okay. Sige. Okay. Sige.